KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it's been a nice stretch of weather today. Day 5 in a row of gorgeous weather. Tomorrow will make it 6. But then we run out of numbers as we head into the weekend. A few showers Saturday. Saturday won't be a washout. But going into Sunday, a good chance of storms, and latest computer model runs hinting at maybe some robust thunderstorms, and we'll talk more about that coming up in just a bit. First off, big picture across the lower 48 this evening. Much of the south central U.S. being dominated by a ridge of high pressure. You can see around that ridge of high pressure, clouds to the west, severe weather across portions of Iowa into Illinois. There was some going on into Indiana earlier, but that's going to change as an upper level low pressure system and a surface low moving through California. You can kind of see the thing swirling around right here, producing heavy rainfall and more snow in the Sierra Nevada. That's going to be entering through the Rockies and then ignite severe storms, a round of severe storms across the central part of the U.S. as we head into the weekend and more than likely going into next week. So it's going to be a busy pattern, but for us, we're going to miss out on most of the action except for Sunday. But outside of that, expect breezier conditions with time feeding all those storms that'll be firing to the north in the days ahead. Weak high pressure at the surface just south of Jackson dominating our weather, so fair skies, nice southerly breeze, and you can see all the areas of green still painted in for all the flood warnings that we have going. So fortunately, we've had time to dry out, but guess what? More water is going to be coming down, not only the Mississippi River, but the Red River as well. We'll comment more on that in just a bit. Friday, though, as we look ahead to tomorrow, fair to partly cloudy skies. We'll probably see a few more clouds during the course of the day, but it's going to be a nice one. Maybe a few showers over toward Houston way. That's going to be southeast Texas. Then clouds really start dominating tomorrow night into Saturday morning. That's going to hold our temperatures in the soupier low to mid 70s. And then as we head into Saturday afternoon, strong to severe storms across Texas. They will be trying to move eastward. Meanwhile, we'll see a few widely scattered showers popping up during the course of the afternoon into the early evening, but these showers will be quick and moving along. But then as we head towards Sunday morning, showers and storms, definitive severe weather threat, perhaps I-20 corridor going into Sunday, and points to the northeast, maybe a marginal risk, but we're not hatched in quite yet from the Storm Prediction Center. But there could be some strong thunderstorms pushing on through as we go into Sunday. But we're not looking at a big round of severe weather, nor are we looking at a lot of rainfall right now per the European model. And it should be over with going into Monday, maybe a few lingering showers, and then Tuesday and beyond, all the action well to the north and west of us. We stay breezy, and this ridge of high pressure is going to be a hot high pressure system. That's slowly going to be moving westward as next week wears on, so temperatures pushing 90 toward the end of next week. Severe weather threat tomorrow, West Texas all the way up through Nebraska. Then we go into Saturday. Somebody mentioned this looks like an avocado, and it does, but there is an enhanced risk of severe weather across portions of Texas from Austin up through Dallas, through the Shreveport area, tornadoes, damaging winds, hail. Locally, late Saturday evening, Saturday night, we're hatched in for a marginal to slight risk, so I think this may continue as we head into Sunday, at least a marginal risk, and we'd be looking out for the possibility of damaging winds. Rainfall, still not expecting a whole lot. We'll get a better beat on the rainfall tomorrow locally, but look at all the heavy rain that's going to fall from the Red River up through the Missouri and the upper Mississippi, and that'll all be heading southward with time. So the water levels on the Mississippi and the Chaffalaya will stay quite high as we go not only to June, but maybe July. Mid to upper 60s tonight. Tomorrow we'll be back into the mid to upper 80s. So tonight, pleasant evening, mild and more humid. 95% of a full blue flower moon out there. 68 the low in Lafayette. A little cooler outlying areas. Then tomorrow, a nice finish to the week, breezy and warm with fair to partly cloudy skies. We'll go 88, perhaps 89 the high. 89 incidentally was the high today. Going into the weekend there, your rain chances 30% Saturday, 70% for Sunday, so that number has gone up. And then we tone down the rain chances, crank up the heat and humidity as we go into next week. And welcome to June, a week or two early.
It feels like it for sure. Thanks, Rob.